Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 1500, what is this, 24th Avenue. The date is Wednesday, November 13th, I believe. What you're looking at here is 100 feet out, my full length of my camera. I don't know if we're in some kind of common line at this point. I'm assuming we are. So that's as far out as I can go. We're going through the toilet flange. I'm going to pull back. This video is after cabling. So the line's already been cabled. You'll see when we get back closer to the front of the line that where the majority of the roots are causing the clog. This is 6-inch clay pipe. Looks to be in pretty good shape. Of course, this is 70 some odd feet down the line. Jump through a couple turns here in a second. Here's one of them. Boom. A big 45-degree left-hand turn right before a second. Those might even be 90-degree turns. Those are sharp turns. Anyway, coming back, you see a little bit of a root hanging there. Like I said, the cable already went through these, so the cable kind of pokes a hole in the root. Won't completely cut it out, as you can see. I would want to get a jetter in here if we were to do a full cleaning and cut out the root completely. So you'll see the cable goes through there, kind of pokes a hole in it. But that's all it does, so you're still going to have the problem. Or it's going to grow back anyway. So as you can see, we're coming back more. You're getting more roots on the seams. Pretty good sized one there at 25 feet. Another good one there at 24. Another good one there. Those are big guys. And those are the ones that are causing sewer clogs. You can tell. The cable will go through it. Again there. And see, that's a big guy. Like I said, the cable kind of pushes through similar to that. But you still got a big root on there. So the main one was the main root, I believe, causing the blockage was that one there. There could have been one back here that I cut out though. I can't really tell. Alright, I'm pulling out of the flange here. The line is open and flowing. Oh, but probably could use a jetting. Log